Are you searching for the best dumpster rental in Clovis, California? Look no further than E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals. Whether you're managing a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project, we provide the perfect dumpster to keep your site tidy and organized. Choosing E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals for a dumpster rental means choosing reliability and efficiency for your project. At E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, our streamlined rental process guarantees hassle-free waste management tailored to suit projects of any size. We're not just about waste disposal, we're about simplifying your entire project experience. We handle everything from household junk to construction debris and yard waste. Simply fill the dumpster, and we'll take care of the rest. With a range of dumpster sizes, you'll always get exactly what you need to keep your project on track. And with transparent pricing, you can rest assured that your focus stays where it belongs, on completing your project with peace of mind. Trust E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals for reliable dumpster rental in Clovis, California. Contact us today at 559-417-7599 or visit www.eetransportllc.com. Dumpster Rental Clovis, CA to simplify your cleanup project today. Let's make your next project effortlessly successful with E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals.